For saving as NC KOT, click on to KOT, click on to MF and select the table number. Now add the item name and its quantity. The rate will automatically fill up according to the item name and quantity. Enter the number of person at the table in covers. Enter the steward number. Click on to NC KOT option. Now select NC type, NC account type, enter a reason and click on to save. Now click on to save KOT option. For bill raising, click on to bill, select the table number. The items ordered at the table is displayed and click on to save bill. For splitting the bill, click on to bill, select the table number. The items ordered at the table is displayed. Click on to split bill option. Now select the items for splitting the bill. Click on to apply. The selected items are clubbed into a group. Click on to submit and click save bill option. For applying discount, click on to bill, select the table number, click on to discount. Enter the discount amount, enter a reason and click apply. Click on to save bill option. NC KOT entry, bill raising, split bill and discount entry for POS bar has been done successfully. Thank you.